So guys, watch me as I unbox, set up and print client order all in this video. I'll also show you the process and also explain how I set this printer up for optimal use. Okay, so stay tuned. Take this out. So the next step is to lift the ink access door by the side latch. Then we'll take this out. The next is to plug in power on the printer. Keep the printer on during setup. So we're going to close this. So this is how the back of the printer looks like, and my printer came with 2 cable wires, one with 3 heads and other with 2 heads. Okay, I guess you can use any one that you like. I personally prefer the one that has 3 heads, 3 mouths. I'm going to plug this directly on the wall, and then I switch on the on button. As you can see, the light is on now and it's reading. Now we'll go over to the next step. Step 2. Step 2, we have to fill in the ink tanks. Now open the side printer. Open the side of the printer, lift the ink access door, open the tank covers on both sides of the printer. This is the ink access door. I'm going to open that. This is for the colored and this is for the black. Open the cap of the ink tank you want to fill. I'll start with the black. This is my black ink. Let's open this. Then we're going to place it upside down to fill. Snap it into place and leave it. And if you can observe, you see that this has been filled up compared to the other colors. You see that it looks empty. The rest of the colors look empty. So once it's filled, it will look like this. It will look like this. So we are done filling the black ink. We'll go over and fill the other one the same way. So close the lid for the black and make sure that you fill the colors according to the colors you see. Now this is for yellow, this is for magenta, and this is for cyan. So I'm going to start with the yellow. Okay, also follow that it is represented by letters Y. If you come to the ink tank, you will see also the letters that is being represented. And place it just like you did for the black. Make sure it snaps. The bottom must be empty. Close the cap. and then we should wait for 15 seconds approximately for the printer to check ink. Okay, the printer has checked the ink, and now we have to put our ink print heads. Now we have to put our print heads. Okay, that is step 3. Install print heads. I'm going to open this ink access door and make sure the cartridge has moved to the center. If not, close the door for 15 seconds. We're opening this again. It has moved to the center. Press the blue button to open the print cover. This is the blue button. Remove and discard the orange guard. Keep the guard upright. Handle carefully to avoid ink leaks. First, you have to remove this. Remove the orange cap and tape from both print heads. This is a print head which came with the printer. Make sure you remove this orange label. And make sure you don't touch it with your finger and don't touch the under. So you're going to remove this orange cap. Pull. Just like that. And this one is for the color, as you can see, is purple. And that's the first place you are supposed to put our printer. As you can see, we do the same for the black. Take this out. Pull. Here we face. Close the printhead cover and the ink access door. Printhead cover. And the ink access door. Now the next step for us to do is to load the paper tray. Slide out the guides. This is the paper tray. This is the paper tray. Slide out the guards. This is the guards. Putting in our paper. close the tray. Open it. So we are waiting for the alignment page to print automatically. So this is testing the printing process. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on that notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you'll be the first to get notified. And I'll see you guys in my next video.